Hi all, this is Scarlett, and she is happy to wish everyone a happy week 3. With that, let's go ahead and get started on today's topic. Identifying 5 characteristics of effective writing in online reports, and then the next thing I'll be talking about is to explain how to adapt our writing approach for Wiki. All of this information that I'm giving, everything that I'm telling you, is directly from the book. Make sure your content is accurate, complete, current, and authoritative, because readers can be skeptical of online content. Take special care to build trust with your intended audiences. 2. As much as possible, adapt your content for a global audience. AI-related translation tools can reduce the time and cost of translating web content. Wherever you can, use the inverted pyramid style, in which you cover the most important information briefly at first and then gradually reveal successive layers of detail, letting readers choose to see those additional layers if they want. 4. Present your information in a concise, skimmable format. Effective websites use a variety of means to help readers skim pages quickly. This includes lists, color and boldface, informative headings, and helpful preview summaries that give readers the option to learn more if they choose to do so. Structure website content in a concise, skimmable format so that readers can quickly consume topics of interest. The 5th is write concise, reader-friendly links that serve for both site navigation and content skimming. Clearly identify where a link will take readers. Don't use wordplay that forces readers to guess what section or the page is about. Now the book gives 6, so I'm going to go ahead and include this. Keep content up to date. Honestly, I think it's the most important. Keep content up to date. If content on a particular page is likely to go out of date over time, include an indication on the page of when it was last updated to help readers judge whether it's current when they read it. Nothing I hate more than clicking on an article and having no idea when it's written. Next section, how to adapt your writing approach for Wiki. Let go of traditional expectations of authorship, including individual recognition and control. So write like a robot. Take all of your emotion and all of your opinions out of it. Encourage all team members to improve each other's work. Use page templates and other formatting options to make sure your content matches the rest of Wiki. Use the separate editing and discussion capabilities appropriately. And last, take advantage of the sandbox if available. This is a safe, non-published section of Wiki where team members can practice editing and writing. That's all for my forum. Thank you for tuning in.